All right, so we are going to check out a shop today.
Whee!
And we're looking at upgrading from 1,000 square feet to 2,500 in the same complex, mind you. So let's go and check it out. Hopefully it's something we'll be interested in. We're kind of interested in more warehouse space and office space, but let's take a look, shall we? Let's do it. Nice already.
And a bush.
Kind of interests us as well is it having the storage above it.
And it does need some work, 515. I think some of the flooring is coming up there.
Yeah, I think I
So here's the door here. It's kind of an alleyway. And there's a little side entrance door there. Whole big space here. Got some outlets. We'll definitely, if this were a space that we were to get, we definitely would have to, we're gonna have to do the wiring regardless. Plenty of space in here, shop-wise. Here's a bathroom. Nothing special, just a little bathroom.
We're working at 7 square feet of office space or warehouse space and we're basically.
And then here's the space here. It's actually a pretty good sized space. Then there's another bathroom in here. Just enough to take care of business. A little bit of a, I guess, a kitchen. A little pantry. So here's another space, which could either be my office or a combination of maybe a media room for when we go live. We can just have this place set up. And then there's this space right back over here, which there's the front door, kind of like what we already have. But there's this space over here, and which maybe Michelle and Shannon could be in this area. And then more of a showroom over there. So we've got one more space to check out that has less warehouse space. So let's check that out. On to the next space. Oh, it's over here towards the end. This is the one we looked at.
Yeah.
I'm just pretending like we've never seen it. Or at least the outside.
Well, I've already said I've seen the
outside.
online.
In other words, you're talking about the driveway or what?
We were working on monthly doing like a different row each month.
Yeah, I got
And
you.
we just had a little bit of a setback from this flood.
Right.
Which kind of gave us quite a whirlwind of what we're working with.
Is this a mirror or like
So it's
a two-way?
yeah.
A one-way? Okay.
Is there power on this unit? Yes.
Looks like it. Okay. Holy crap. So, let me back this up. Here's the space here. A little area here. Got a one-way. It's a one-way tent on it.
Fancy.
It is. Well, that's pretty cool. Let's see. So we got this area here. Holy crap. And then a little kitchenette. Bathroom. What? could put the press in here. Dude, are you kidding me? That would actually be cool. Got another one-way window here. This could be the area where, I don't know, either boxes coming in or the press could come out here. Maybe inks. And then there's a drain there. The washout booth could go here. Got a plug there. Let's see what we got in here. Another bathroom, self-explanatory. Cool. Okay, so this is the majority of like all the warehouse space, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's still the second floor.
Yes, but there is the second floor, which we'll check out here in a second. Got the exit. Maybe that could be the embroidery room, Shannon? That little room?
I've not seen that before. Is it empty?
Somebody left a shoe.
Oh my lord. And then there's all this storage up here. That looks like the same exact set of tennis shoes Shannon has, Madison has.
Okay.
What are you trying to step on?
Right there.
No, yeah, I wouldn't step on that.
That's actually not that bad. On the like the insulation area, it's just straight sheetrock and
Yeah, you'll fall right through.
I've been in an attic before. I know how that works.
Good,
It
so
does give you an ample amount of space up here as
right. I don't even know what we would store up here. Like,
In the summertime, it's gonna get.
I guess just boxes from all the like on video, so we can go back and look at it and figure out what's what. So we got this long hallway here. That room will probably be my office, or maybe Shannon and Michelle's office. Showroom area. Yeah, man, that would be cool just to have it in here. I'll have to see if because this would be plenty of space. It's like, why would you stick the press there? That could be where all the shirts go. And then maybe the conveyor dryer coming through the window. I don't know, we'll figure it out. It's like copper wiring, doesn't it?
I don't think the three-phase is connected, but there's three-phase coming into the unit.
Okay,
If that makes sense.
that does make sense. Okay, yeah. So there's the outside of the first one that we looked at. It's really, you know, we got businesses on both sides, which isn't a big deal. And then here's the outside of the last building we looked at, which there's nobody at this end. But also, one of the bonuses is there's a patch of grass. Apollo will need to have his restroom breaks. It is right next to the dumpster, which I'm not sure how I feel about that. Then it does have that back alleyway, which I'll show y'all the two back alleyways. And this space, I do like the fact that it is gated off right there. I don't really care to have a whole bunch of traffic passing by the shop. So here's the alleyway behind the first shop. Cool, got a little gym over there. Right down here, I think. So not really, I mean, there are these little alleyways to the meters and all that, but there's the other shop, which I think this is kind of cool because I know management doesn't mind if we were to put a banner or something up saying, hey, custom t-shirts. So there's the side of that area, and then right here is the two back doors and the two doors that open, the two shop doors, bay doors, whatever you want to call them. Well, I'm back at the shop, and I mean, I think anything would be an improvement from the amount of space we have here. We're pretty cramped, just nowhere to put stuff. And I've also kind of been doing some personal car project stuff up here, which is kind of a little bit of a side business to what I've been doing. Either way, I think either shop will be an improvement. We've got a lot to think about, and it's looking like towards the end of this month we'll be into that shop. They did go over the electricity again, and that shop is single phase. It's not three phase, which is fine because all of our equipment's set up for single phase. Hopefully, I'm thinking, I don't know, maybe that air conditioned room would make things a little more comfortable for myself and Mario. I mean, Mario's been doing most of the printing, and I've just kind of been helping organize this end of stuff. And then I don't know, that would be Mario's office. So I need to measure this press, that wall. I got the dimensions of that room. Maybe this thing will fit, and we can put the compressor way on the other side of the shop where nobody can really hear it. I don't know, the layout's a little silly, but I'm sure we can figure it out. So thanks for tuning in. We have a lot to think about, and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think about the shop, the two shops that we looked at. I think we're gonna go for the second one. They both have their pros and cons, however, lots of thinking to do. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.